Hello friends, this is a multi agarbatti and multi diya stand which I made from terracotta pot lid. So here I've covered the terracotta pot lid with the wall putty paste, and I have attached the diyas to the lid with the help of Fevicryl molded. So the agarbatti stand which I made in the diyas are with the help of Fevicryl molded again, and I have if you can see clearly here, I have coated the old diyas with the help of gesso. Here I have drawn a small design on the lid, and with the help of Fevicryl molded I am going to paste it on the design. It's a sort of a lip and art, so that is what I am going to do now. Now you can see I have pasted the Fevicryl molded ropes on the design, and also made impressions on it. Now I am going to color the work with the help of Fevicryl colors. Now the center part is done. Now I will color the diyas. We will use Fevicryl colors again for this. So you can see I have used golden chrome color, Indian red, and green. For the flowers which I made with Fevicryl molded, that is the agarbatti stand, I have colored with pink and yellow. You can just see a close-up view of how I have made these petals and the agarbatti stand. So now the coloring work is done. Let it dry, and then after that I have just coated it with golden dust, to give it a shiny look to suit the festive occasions. Now I have used some kundan stones, and I am going to paste it onto the design to give a further enhancement to the work. So you can now see the kundans are being pasted, and this is how the multi agarbatti and multi diya stand turned out to be. So you can see here, you can place the diya in the center and the agarbattis in the stand, and you can also place an idol of your favorite god with flowers in the center, and you can also light the diyas during a festive occasion. I hope you like it. Thank you.